In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to print an Excel worksheet so that everything fits on a single page. Let's dive right in and make sure your document looks as polished and professional as possible when it rolls off the printer. First things first, if you find yourself working with a large spreadsheet and you're keen on fitting it all onto one page, your journey begins by navigating to the top menu. Look for File and give it a click. From there, select Print. This action will open up the print settings and give you a crucial preview of how many pages your content is currently spread across. Now at this stage, it's important to assess your worksheet size. If your spreadsheet is relatively modest in scope, you might be in luck. It could already be snugly fitting onto one page. However, for those of you laboring over more sizable data sets, don't worry. You'll likely need to make an adjustment, but it's a straightforward process to ensure it all fits neatly onto a single page. To tackle this, you'll need to look for the scaling options that appear on the left side of the print menu. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to select the option that says Fit Sheet on one page. By choosing this, Excel takes care of the heavy lifting and will automatically resize your entire sheet so that it prints on a single page. It's a neat feature that saves time and potential reprints. While we're here, it's worth noting that Excel offers other handy options in this scaling menu. For instance, you can choose to fit all columns or all rows onto one page if you're focused more on maintaining the readability of specific data structures without shrinking everything. However, for the purpose of our task today, let's stick with Fit Sheet on one page to keep the entire thing as comprehensive as possible. Before you hit the print button, take a moment to contemplate the page orientation. This decision can significantly impact how your data is presented. Ask yourself which will make your document easier to read, a portrait layout, which is taller, or a landscape layout, which offers more width for sprawling data. This step is crucial for enhancing clarity, especially when dealing with wide tables or detailed charts. Once you've previewed your changes and everything looks good, the final step is wonderfully simple. Just look for the print button at the top and give it a click. And there you have it. You've successfully formatted your Excel sheet to print everything tidily on one page. This tweak not only saves paper, but also gives anyone viewing your printed document a seamless reading experience. Happy printing!